Hey guys, today we're going to do a review of the MX Sound speaker by Logitech. Alright, before we start going into the details of this speaker, let's have a quick look at what is included in this package. Couple of wires, the left side speaker, the right side speaker, and that's about it. Let's have a closer look of the speaker, starting with the left side speaker with the attached connection cable. And next, the right side speaker with the various output for your audio. Comes included is the 3.5mm audio cable, which you can plug into your iPhone, iPad and other media devices, and the power cable to power on your speaker. This speaker is crafted to complement your desktop setup, resulting in an overall modern outlook, and includes a high-end fabric covers that looks and also feel great in quality. You can adjust the volume or pair your Bluetooth devices with a light touch to the motion-activated backlit controls on the speaker front. At the back of the right side speaker, there are various options to plug in your audio source. First, a headphone jack input. The second and third input is for your power and connection to the left side speaker, followed by the two 3.5 audio cable inputs. You can pair up to two Bluetooth devices and or connect one device by a 3.5mm input. The Logitech Easy Switch technology lets you seamlessly switch between audio sources. Just pause on one and press play on the other.
No, hold on. Look, your daughter and I are supposed to leave tonight for our honeymoon. Now, you tell her that I'm gonna be at that airport, and I hope that she'll be there too. Oh yeah, I said Rachel's name, but it didn't mean anything, okay? She's just a friend, that's all. Now, look, just tell Emily that I love her.
With a price tag of 148 Singapore dollars, its audio performance is definitely worth it. Given that it does not have a separate subwoofer, its high-end drivers and port tubes are still able to extend the bass range and deliver a balanced audio.